Hey guys, welcome to the Inside of My Screen. My name is Desmond Dimo once again, and I'm here to take you guys through our weekly outlook. But first of all, I want to just give you guys something real quick. A lot of people have been coming. Happy New Year in advance and Merry Christmas in advance. And I hope you guys had a very successful trading year. I hope you guys are safe. I hope everybody's safe and sound. I hope you guys have made lots of money and saved up for Christmas because it's about to be a blast, literally. Okay, over here in Nigeria, I don't know where you guys are, but over here in Nigeria, it's about to be a blast. But that aside, it's so good. It's so good to see you guys and finally actually get to talk to you guys once more. Okay, I love making these videos for you guys. All right, so a quick one. Let's just dive into the matter of the day. So literally, welcome to the Inside of My Screen where we discuss everything candlesticks. Okay, so now I've been getting lots of questions from people, from my students, everywhere, Twitter, asking me because we've been in a downtrend. I think since the beginning of the year, XSS USD price have been falling. So I've been getting lots of questions. Currently now I'm still going to make another video entirely teaching you guys how to actually trade during holiday period because I see a lot of people struggle around this period. And even your mentors struggle around around this period. Okay, so I will be making a different video entirely speaking about that and how to approach holidays when it comes to trading. All right, so quick one, let's just dive into what we have today. And yeah, today I'll be speaking about the XY. Okay, I mean obviously generally speaking about our weekly outlook, but particularly the XY because a lot of people still don't understand how to use the XY. Now, for those of you guys who are new, the XY is actually the dollar index. Okay, it's just the dollar index. Okay, so now this is just a basket of every other currency across the foreign exchange market paired up against the dollar. Okay, so now there is a cheat code that most people still do not understand. Okay, they still do not understand either. I don't know if it's because you guys are not paying close attention, or probably you're not learning from the right people. Okay, so now the cheat code is this. The same way every other market trends is the same way the XY trends. Okay, the same price action across every other pair, every other cryptocurrency market, what commodity, whatever. But it's just the exact same. Price action is everywhere. Okay, price action is something that cannot be changed. It's just constant. It's applicable to every market condition, every pair. Okay, literally every financial instrument we can use price action. That's why I recommend that you guys, try and do it with all these indicators because they don't work literally. Okay, they don't. Indicators are a result of price action. So why don't you just learn the price action itself? I mean, it's common sense. So now let's just dive into the cheat code. Now, the first thing I want to show you is now why does every other pair fall, or why does XSS USD pairs fall when the XY is bullish? Okay. Now this is the thing you need to understand. This is the cheat code, guys. So you just get your pen and paper and then write it down. But first of all, before I proceed to the actual reason for this video, I want to give you 5 seconds to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like and a comment on what you love to see next. All right. So I'll just give you 5 seconds to do that. So in five, all right, in four, in three, in two, and one. Thank you so much for subscribing and also leaving a like. So here is the cheat code, guys. If the XY is actually down, the XY equals down. Give me a sec. Or let me just put it this way: the XY down, okay, equals XSX USD up. In the sense that every pair, every currency pair that has USD as the last, basically all USD, GBP USD, Euro USD, and every other gold as well. Okay, gold XAU USD. Okay, so if the XY is falling, those sort of pairs will literally be going up. In the sense that if the XY is trending to the downside, we are either trending up or trending down. The rest of the times we are actually consolidating. Okay, so if the XY is going up, okay, XSS USD pairs will go down. But if the XY is going down, XSS USD pairs will go up. Now, the XY down equals XSS USD pairs up, all right? Also equals USD XXX pairs down. Okay, so now the USD XXX pairs correlates with DXY. Okay, like this is what controls. It's like a pilot. Okay, this DXY is like a pilot that literally controls, this guy follows this guy. Okay, USD XSS pairs follow this guy, while XSS USD pairs do the exact opposite. Okay, now let's move to the next one. This is something that most people still do not understand, and it's quite fascinating because I mean it's just basic shit. um DXY up, okay, equals XXX USD down, okay, and USD XXX up. Very, very simple. Okay, so I'll just give you some time to go ahead and write this thing down. Okay, write these things down. Get your jotter or something. Just write it down. I'm gonna leave it there on the screen for you guys to see. Okay, it's quite clear. It's clear as you can see there. The XY down equals XSX USD pairs up. Okay, by XSX USD pairs, I'm talking about your just the ones I can remember anyway. Your GBP USD, okay, your XAU USD, your EUR USD, your odd USD, okay, that and the rest of the if there are other ones that you actually trade, because these are the ones I focus on. Okay, I trade just the majors. All right, so this is it right here. As you can see, so if the XY is heading down, this is actually going to go up. You'll be seeing some sort of bullish momentum across GBP USD, Euro USD, odd USD, and gold. Okay, so let me just do do a simple analogy for you guys right here. Okay, so this guy right here, okay, the XY down equals this guy up. Okay, equals this guy heading up. Okay, now the XY up equals this guy heading down. I hope you guys understand. Please, if you do not understand, okay, after watching the video, kindly just drop a comment. I will actually revisit this. Okay, if you guys do not just give me a sec. If you guys do not understand, I will definitely revisit this. But it's a very, very basic concept. Very, very simple. Simple as ABC, literally. Okay, so if the XY is heading down, these guys would head up. If the XY is heading up, these guys will head down. Okay, let me just put this here so it won't look a bit messy. Okay, so that is just the cheat code. And then obviously, if the XY is heading down, this is also heading down. Okay, and if the XY is heading up, this is also heading up. So I think you guys have had enough time to write this down. So let's just jump into the DXY chart itself. Now, if you've been around my YouTube channel, I mean you've been watching my videos for a long time. You know that I love to do a top-down analysis. Okay, so where I start from the monthly, and then I take it all the way through to the 4 hour time frame. Okay. So now let me just show you guys why because lots of people have been coming to me asking me, okay, what do I think about DXY? What's going on, blah blah blah. Now we are actually bullish currently on the XY. Now, how do I know that we are actually bullish? First of all, I'm going to go ahead and plot my key levels. Okay, so I plot my major levels on the weekly, but I'm just coming to the monthly time frame to have like a bird eye view of the entire thing. So literally we have been heading up in the sense that we put a low right here, we put a high, put a higher low, a higher high, okay, higher low right here, consolidation, okay, and then we proceeded to make a higher high right here. Okay, so that is very, very simple and straightforward. So now having that at the back of your mind, first of all, the most important thing, the first thing you want to do when you come to the chart and open your trading computer, your PC, whatever, you need to understand the structure. Okay, are we in a downtrend? Are we in an uptrend? Are we consolidating? What are we doing currently? That is the foundation. So you need to actually understand where we are coming from, where we are currently, and then that is actually how you get to know where we're actually headed. Okay, so let me just go ahead and plot my key levels. How do I plot my key levels, guys? By simply looking left. Now, this is a compressed um, uh, 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 candlestick representation of the DXY. Okay, this is a compressed version in the sense that this is on the monthly time frame, and literally this is all that has happened since 1967 all the way to 2022 as regarding the XY. So now I'm going to go ahead and plot my key levels right now. So how do I plot my key levels? I simply look left. Okay, I simply look left. So I mark out areas of cluster of candlesticks. Wherever I see a cluster of candlesticks, I go ahead and put my major level tool, which is literally the rectangle tool right here, can be found on the left corner of the trading view. We have everything tool. Okay, so this is literally it right here, rectangle. As you can see, I started as one of my favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and mark out levels of consolidation or mark out levels of candlestick clustering. So literally, um, I see a cluster right here. So we've had a touch here. We have a touch. We had a touch, touch. Sorry, let me start again. We have a touch, 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 a touch here. So this is certainly a key level for me because this is happening on a significant time frame, guys. You want to understand that this is happening on a monthly time frame. So best believe it is major. Okay, major. So I've spotted that one. I want to go ahead and actually put something above this guy because this is actually, going to cause us trouble by the time we start heading up again. So it's gonna cause some sort of resistance, and I don't want to, jeopardize my positions. So this is exactly that about that. So I have spotted two key levels right now. We had a touch here, okay, and then we're supposed to come and put another touch right here. So this is let me go ahead. I can see something happening here, although it's quite messy. Below this level is very very messy, which I would actually put another level there because you need to understand, guys. This is happening on the monthly time frame. Okay, so I want to take note of literally everything that is going on right there. So I'll go ahead and put this guy right there. Okay, adjust this in such a way. So I like to put my key level on the close of the candle. Okay, close of the candle, not the wick. On the close of the candlestick. So I'm just going to adjust a bit. So I have something that looks like this. Okay, I have something that looks like this. Then I will now go ahead and clone this guy and put it right here. Okay, so now I have all these levels plotted out nicely, and you can see very very accurate because anytime price got to my level, it got rejected, and then reacted in some way. It got to my level, rejected. It broke this guy, retested this guy, broke this guy, retested this guy, broke this guy, currently coming to retest this guy. So it's very 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 simple. So now here is why I think we are not done with the bullish momentum when it comes to the XY. Okay, so now we are technically still in an uptrend, as you can see. As I explained earlier, we have put a low here, we put a high. This is a higher low, this is a higher high, put a higher low, equal high, consolidated right here, equal low, broke above this key level or major level, coming back to retest it to continue. So this is a clear case of a breakout, a retest, and a continuation pattern. Okay, this is a breakout, retest, continuation. So the only time I will be bothered about this uptrend is when we actually, in fact, when we do in fact fail to sustain above this level, in the sense that we actually break into this whole zone and then continue bleeding to the downside. Then I would actually understand that I am done with the bullish trend on the XY. Hence, it will change my overall view across every other pair. I'm speaking the XSS USD pairs and the USD XSS pairs. Okay, so this is literally a pilot. Okay, this is actually a pilot. So let me just go ahead and join these key guys right here. Okay, so we are technically still in an uptrend, as you can see right here. So I want to see us take out this key level, take out this trend line, and then I know for a fact that okay, I'm actually done okay with this uptrend. But one thing you need to understand is that the market just doesn't just reverse; it gives hints here and there. It gives you a clue before it does that. Okay, so another thing that is actually making me very, 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 very confident that we are still in an option is because if I bring my Fibonacci tool and then I draw from swing low to swing high, because we are in an uptrend from uptrend. So from swing low to swing high, you can see that okay, where this market is actually trying to pull back into is this Fibonacci 50 zone. So if we do fail to if we do fail to sustain above that level, and then we actually break to the downside, then ladies and gentlemen, I am done with the bullish momentum on GX right now. What does this mean across every other pair? In the sense that if this breaks below this whole level, I'm definitely looking for buying opportunities across the XSS USD pairs, as you can see. So now this is odd USD, which is actually a pair that I love to trade. Very, very simple to trade. Very, very one of the easiest pair that you actually come across in the forex market. So now during all that pullback of DXY, you can see we were falling previously. Then the XY decided to pull back, and you can see monthly time frame we are actually bullish. Okay, coming back to retest this whole level. So this is a break and a retest. Like I said, if we fail to sustain below this point, then my general bias changes. Okay, very, very simple. So what am I actually looking at for this week? I would actually love to I would actually love to wait for the close of this monthly candle, because we have just 2 days and 15 hours to go. So I'll actually have to wait for the close before I take anything, because I trade based off of reaction. I want to see price action around this level. I want to see us react in the sense that we bounce off of this level. Then I come and say, okay, fine, we actually continue to the downside. However, if we do fail to bounce off this level and then we continue surging up, I will literally wash my hands off anything bearish. Okay, that is very, very simple. Okay, and this same thing is applicable to Euro USD. As you can see, pull back, we are pulling back into entry zones. Okay, so if we do fail to sustain below and we actually break above this key level and this trend line, I am done with this sell. Okay, same thing with GBP USD. So it's all about you having a bird eye view of everything. Okay, so if we actually do break above this level, I am done, ladies and gentlemen. I am done selling XSS USD pairs. I'll be looking for buying opportunities. Very, very simple. And you guys also need to understand that I only make analysis on the higher time frame. I definitely scale lower to the daily and 4 hour time frame to take my trades. Okay, so I do not play straight on the higher time frames at all. In fact, I go down to my 15 minutes time frame. I place my trade and then I hold it in the direction of the higher time frame. Okay, that's how I use 50, 30 pips to back 500 pips, 200 pips, sometimes even 1,000 pips, because I can see into the future. I'm not stuck to a single time frame. I have a bird eye view of the entire movement, okay, entire flow of the river. I have the bird eye view. Once again, guys, thank you guys for sticking through to the end of this video, and I hope you found something interesting. I hope you found something that will actually help you if you actually start applying these things. Okay, so it's very, very simple. Price action across every market. Price action across every market. Top down analysis from every perspective. Okay, and this will actually save you premature trades and also getting stopped out. Guys, you need to understand I'm right 9 times out of 10 times. That is huge, guys. Okay, that is huge. So once again, before I go, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to go ahead and subscribe to that. Give me a sec. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then leave a like and comment on what you'd love to see next. And once again, Merry Christmas in advance. And I wish you guys all the best come 2023. I hope you guys have a very, 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 very lovely New Year Eve, and then I hope you guys have a happy New Year in advance. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much for sticking through to the end of this video. I love to see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.